All right, so the Federal Reserve cut interest rates for the first time this year as the country faces a sluggish labor market and rising inflation. The central bank eased borrowing costs by 0.25 percentage point, which was predicted. That was in line with expectations as the Fed faces pressure from President Trump. Allie Kelly is an economy reporter for Business Insider, and she joins us now with what this all means. Allie, good morning and welcome. Glad to have you with us. So how does this one decision on a 0.25% cut impact the finances of people watching now?
Errol, this is the first interest rate cut that the Fed has made this year. And in a lot of ways, it's been expected. Markets priced this in recent weeks, and we've seen kind of an increase in people looking to refinance their homes. But one single point rate cut is not going to make a huge difference on American consumers right now. Those 30-year fixed mortgage rates, 2-year auto loans, credit cards, that's something that we would see down the line, maybe in the next couple of months. The Federal Reserve and their economic projections have penciled in potentially 2 more rate cuts this year, and that's one more than they had previously planned. So
that's significant.
That is significant. And if we continue to see this pattern of cuts over the next several months, then I think that borrowers and American consumers can see relief.
Now, while this was within expectations, the surprise may have been that Stephen Moran, this is the man that President Trump appointed to the Fed. He was just sworn in. He'll only be there until the beginning of next year. But he was the only dissenting vote on this cut. This is what Trump wants, we thought. So why was that?
Yes. So Moran, he was narrowly confirmed by the Senate on Monday into his role. He's filling the seat of a role of someone who resigned from the Fed. And Trump has, as you mentioned, been really pushing for cuts. And Moran's dissent was actually asking for more of a cut than that normal 0.25 point rate cut that we saw yesterday. And we also saw on the dot plot, we're not sure exactly what Fed member suggested this, but pushing for potentially up to 5 rate cuts for the rest of the year. And so we're seeing this kind of dissent in what is usually uniform decision-making by the Fed.
Very interesting updates, Allie Kelly. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.